This short video explains the features contained within the heads of Tripar's L-bars. The lower alignment tabs are used to align the bars with the underside of wooden joists. For installation to wooden joists, the L-bars can retain the fixture in a number of ways. Supplied retracted for safety, as well as toothed to resist pullout, hammer in the retracted integral nail. If desired, additional retention is permitted by adding a nail into any of the unused holes. If access is restricted, hammer a nail into the hole or slot from the bottom. If the slot is used, prior to fully driving the nail in, up to 5/8 of an inch of lateral adjustment remains possible, or even complete fixture removal. For installation onto T-bar, depending on the T-bar profile, you may need to first bend the lower alignment tab outward so they do not interfere with the top side of the adjacent ceiling tiles. Lower the fixture so the notches fall on the vertical leg of the T-bar. If locking to the T-bar is required, drive a number 8 self-tapping screw from the outside.